Hey, good morning, everyone. Florida Stacker here with you with a late morning update. And it looks like spot prices, both gold and silver, are on the decline again today. Platinum is looking okay. I don't know if you saw in the news this morning or not that Elon Musk, the owner of Tesla, is now the second wealthiest man in the world. That stock has gone back up near $600 after it split off earlier this year. When it was in the $800 range, it did a split. The stock price came down as they offered, more shares, and now it's back up. So that man is he's made $100 billion during the year of the pandemic. Put that into your head for a second. $100 billion. We got, more than 10% of the population in this country unemployed, and Elon Musk, with his work ethic and ingenuity, has now become the second wealthiest man alive. So let's take a look here at an article from Reuters. Precious metals. Gold dips as AstraZeneca adds to vaccine optimism. So similarly to last week's kind of impromptu update, we now have yet another company that has a mostly effective vaccine after its trials. That's AstraZeneca. So first Pfizer, then Moderna, now AstraZeneca. All right, so gold prices eased Monday as drug maker AstraZeneca injected fresh optimism into the race for a COVID-19 vaccine, bolstering appetite for riskier assets, which overshadow support for bullion from a weaker dollar. Okay, so I was looking at the DXY. As a matter of fact, I just had it up, and the dollar is actually weakening. So you're seeing gold and silver come down in value with a weakening dollar, which normally isn't the situation, right? Normally when the dollar weakens, that's pretty bullish for gold and silver. But in this particular situation, with things looking brighter in the not too distant future for a vaccine, I know a lot in this community, especially the stacking community, you're anti-vaccine, anti-government, anti-pretty much everything. And go ahead, hit that thumbs down button because I mentioned the word vaccine if it makes you feel more empowered. But look, I'm just giving you the facts here, okay? The facts are that even during a weakening dollar, we're seeing decrease in spot price. And that's because gold and silver are primarily looked at as safe haven assets, right? Okay, outside of the stacking community, we're not talking about folks here that are trying to be their own bank, that are trying to hold their wealth in their hands. All right, that's us. But the vast majority of people that invest in gold and silver do so for safe haven reasons, right? So as the economy looks like it's going to be expanding and things look like they're going to be brighter from a financial standpoint next year, we're starting to see now that gold prices especially are coming down, over $100 down from a week ago, okay? So let's look at spot price right now. I'm going to go ahead and refresh my computer here. And as of 9:11 a.m. East Coast time, gold spot price is $1,813. It's down $35.60 since market open. And silver is now trading at $23.27 ask price on the COMEX, and it's down 48 cents. Platinum, of course, still holding strong. The industrial metal platinum, things are looking better for platinum now with all the recent news in the world. It's holding at $946.90. All right, so the fact that we have 3 vaccine results, all right, are extremely positive, is keeping gold under pressure in the near term and also stopping it from any kind of significant rebound. All right, so if you're looking to accumulate more gold and silver, I would definitely be paying attention to the market, guys and girls, because you may have a better opportunity, as I mentioned last week. Last week, I told you a better opportunity was coming. Well, it wasn't wrong, especially in gold. So if you're holding on to some fiat, looking to convert that over to, gold and silver, like I'm doing, I've been stacking a little fiat, right, trying to save up for some gold, then hold on to it just a little bit longer. I don't think that unless some crazy political something pops up or some, war starts that I'm not tracking, that we're going to see any kind of immediate reversal to what's going on here. The market's looking pretty strong, the equities market right now. And I think we're going to be looking at some better prices for gold and silver here in the not too distant future. But I mean, even right now, I feel fairly enlightened by these prices. So once more, I'm going to go to back to the computer here, and let's just take a look real quick at what a 1 ounce gold American Eagle is going for today. I'm on Apmex website, so yeah, this price is going to be a little on the higher side. But let's go ahead to American Gold Eagle and use that as kind of like a measuring stick, right? You know, the Gold Eagle, most popular 1 ounce gold coin in the world. All right, so the lowest price I see right now for a 2020 or a random day, because they're priced the same these days, is $1,914.39. So we're still looking at a $99 premium on the Gold Eagle, as well as the Gold Buffalo from Apmex. I've seen some deals, you know, in the $69, $79 over spot for some of the foreign coins. I'm hoping we'll start to see prices on like the Buffalo and the Eagle come down, the premiums. $100 over spot, that's a little too rich for me, especially considering my local coin shop is only offering about $10 to $20 over spot on the buyback. So, I mean, you're immediately looking at a $80 negative position on a purchase, right? From the moment you make it right now. That's a little steep on a 1 ounce gold coin. Those are the kind of premiums we were used to on fractional gold in the past. You know, having made the purchase and then immediately you're around about 3 to 5% in the red based on the premium you pay. Now that is applying to even the larger 1 ounce gold coins. So it's really not the dollar that's driving this movement, guys and girls. It's all of the news on the vaccines, whether you like vaccines or not, whether you want one or not. If you like gold and silver, that's what's driving the price today. Thanks for tuning into this update, guys. This is just a quick one. Wanted to get it out there. Don't see any short-term triggers that would immediately reverse course here on gold and silver, other than maybe some, you know, major fraud allegations in the election being revealed and validated. Some, you know, something very disruptive happening. I think we're going to continue to see more and more pressure on gold and silver based on the market right now and the news around these vaccines that continue to show promising results. And it looks like they're going to be, some of them, the Pfizer one, distributed as early as December in certain parts of the United States. So stay tuned. We've got things changing in the market again. The winds are beginning to shift. And maybe hold on to a little bit of that fiat just a little bit longer. And you might get a little bit better price on a larger purchase, like a 1 ounce gold coin, or maybe a roll of silver eagles, or even this roll of fractional coins, whatever floats your boat. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Have a great morning. We'll see you soon.